Hi friends, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Now, let's dive into today's topic. Imagine you've just finished machining a precision groove in a metal part, and you're pretty sure it's exactly 5 millimeters deep. At least, that's what it looks like by eye. But when the part goes for final inspection, it fails because the groove is actually 0.3 millimeters too shallow. That tiny error can mean costly rework, delays, and even scrapping the entire component. This is a problem that happens more often than you'd think, all because someone estimated depth instead of measuring it precisely. That's where the depth gauge mechanical steps in as a total game changer. This simple but incredibly powerful tool is designed to measure the depth of holes, slots, grooves, and recesses with reliable accuracy. It looks a lot like a ruler mounted on a flat base, but with a sliding scale that allows you to read exact depth measurements. You position the base of the gauge on the reference surface, extend the scale into the feature you're measuring, and instantly get a precise reading. No guesswork, no surprises. The beauty of a mechanical depth gauge is its simplicity. There are no batteries to die on you, no digital errors, and no complicated buttons. Just smooth, mechanical precision you can depend on, even in tough workshop conditions. Typical features include a robust stainless steel body, a finely graduated scale, and a smooth sliding mechanism that makes measuring quick and effortless. In real-world use, mechanical depth gauges shine for tasks like checking drilled hole depths, countersinks, keyways, and even mold cavity depths. They dramatically improve accuracy compared to trying to eyeball it or relying on makeshift tools. That means fewer rejections, better quality control, and a faster, more confident workflow. Exactly what any technician, student, or machinist needs to keep their projects on track. Hello friends. If this video helped you understand things better, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support really helps us grow this learning community and keep sharing practical industrial and manufacturing insights. And if you enjoyed this clear and simple explanation, be sure to check out our earlier video on the thread pitch gauge, where we explained how to use it, its applications, and some handy tips for accurate thread measurement, all in the same easy-to-follow style. You might discover a few tricks to boost your inspection confidence.